women's team is joyful, authentic, and united. I believe after reflecting on what was just announced, it seems that the soccer pyramid in Richmond is going to continue to grow. We're just really excited. Congratulations, Jay, and congratulations to Lee. I thought it'd be nice to offer a little bit of key soccer moments that help bring this collaboration finally together. So back in 1975, we might have a few people that played the old Three Chop Soccer Association. If you could put your hand up, that'd be great. All right, there's Alan, a couple. Yep. So Three Chop Soccer Association started off down at United Methodist Home, right there at Broad and Hamilton. Now it's a bunch of condos and a hotel. But the genesis of this was with Dave Amser many years ago. I think I saw Shane, maybe Tripp. It's really neat to see where it's come from the early days 50 years ago. But the Three Chop Soccer Association was coaching-led development of young people. It wasn't about winning, it wasn't about losing, it was about finding the child's full potential. Great coaches like Dave Amser, Gary Allen, Ralph Goen, and Bruce Lovelace are just a few to name. Then the move to Innsbruck, led by some community volunteers like Bill Flowers, Bill Goodwin, and Peggy Craig, really changed the landscape as we moved out to Innsbruck to play games. Most of you guys know Innsbruck as an office park with a hotel and a bunch of great eateries and even the striker's office, but my first experience at Innsbruck was playing on one of the two soccer fields right there where the hotel is now. 1986, the official name switched to the Richmond Strikers. 1993, the Richmond Kickers pro team was founded by Bobby Lennon and Cookie Ketchum. Lee and I had good fortune to play in that very first team. It was quite the experience. And then in 1995, the College Cup was held at City Stadium for the first time on a 4-year run. 25,000 people sitting out in the cold watching Wisconsin beat Duke 2-0. And then in 2000, after some reflection on where the pro team was headed, the Richmond Kickers Youth Soccer Club was founded under the pro brand led by Dick Grip and Bobby Ukrop. That was quite the decision at that time. It was met with lots of pushback from the community, but slowly and steadily under the leadership of Jack Dyer, John Altenheiser, and Bruce Williams, we found stable footing fairly quickly with the Richmond Kickers Youth Soccer Club. Then in 2009, Ukrop Park opened in Chesterfield, 45 acres, plenty of soccer fields, and kind of the gem of the region in terms of swimming. Swim RBA, the Collegiate School Aquatic Center, was founded, trying to partnership with other like-minded folks in the community. That was a key step in making this collaboration finally come together. The Richmond Kickers had their own home, just like the Strikers had their own home. And then it's been referenced already, but back in early 2013, a small subset of both clubs, John Mumford, Jay Howe, John Bauer, I'm not sure if you're here. Hey, John. Lee Calishaw, myself, and Vern, where are you, Vern? Right there in the back. The six of us started chipping away at what this might look like. It was a difficult negotiation. Everybody was lots of egos, lots of confidence, lots of, hey, we know how to do this better, but for just some incredible guidance from different people, this thing started to work. In 2013, we made the decision to move forward. 2014 is when it really got started. Richmond United, the first version was pretty cool. The second version looks even better. The nice part in 2023, the partnership between the Richmond Kickers professional team with Lee and Jay, and led by our technical side, Mika Elavara and sporting director Darren Sawatsky, we embarked on a player pathway model. Many of your children have been part of that, whether it's on the boy side or the girl side. We hope to continue to build off of that success so far with national championships, with player placement in a pro game, in a college game, and most importantly, kids that come back to the community afterwards and contribute, whether they're doctors, lawyers, school teachers, nurses, whatever it may be. Soccer is all about youth development and bringing back to the community and making this the best place to live. So I hope this relationship between the pro and the youth will continue to build off this great idea of trust and provide more opportunities to develop young men and women both on and off the field. Hope to see you, all these new Richmond United families, at City Stadium cheering on the Richmond Kickers and Richmond Ivy in their 2025 season. Once again, let's give a hand to Jay and Lee. Congratulations.